today's video, I'm going to show you a really fast and easy low bun that looks like you have mountains more hair than you actually have. If you don't have a lot of hair, it can be really hard to make a bun that looks full and isn't just like a sad little bun, and especially low buns. Low buns, if they're not like a nice full low bun, then they can kind of just look like you put no effort into your hair. So I'm going to show you a little hack for making it look like you have a big bun. What you're gonna need is a claw clip. You wanna make sure that your claw clip is as big as you can get away with, because the bigger the claw clip, the bigger your bun is gonna look, but not so big that your hair can't cover it. So you might have to size down and use a smaller claw clip if your hair is even thinner than mine. But the bigger the claw clip, the bigger the bun is gonna look. And if your hair is shorter, you wanna make sure your claw clip's not too tall this way. Some claw clips are a little smaller this way, and those also might work a little better if your hair's not long enough that you're not getting it over the claw clip. So you might have to troubleshoot claw clip sizes when you do this style, but this is the one that I'm going to use, which is a smaller kind of standard sized claw clip. Also going to use a scrunchie. You are absolutely going to see the entire scrunchie, so make sure you pick a scrunchie that matches your outfit, that you like the color of. And you're going to need a hair tie to put your hair in a ponytail, any hair tie that you want to put your hair in a ponytail. This is a seamless nylon hair tie. I like them because I feel like they're super gentle in my hair. I'll show you now the rest from the back.
Your first step is going to be gathering your hair into a low ponytail. You can of course put your ponytail anywhere you want, but I like this style as a low bun, so I start with a low ponytail. And then you're going to take your claw clip and you're just going to secure it to your hair right above your ponytail. Bring your ponytail up over your claw clip and spread the hair over the claw clip, making sure you don't lose any of those ends. Then you're just going to grasp the entire bun in your hand, pull your scrunchie over top, spread it out again to make sure that you've hidden the sides, and that's literally it. You have a really cute bun.
Now for the front, I'm just going to leave a little bit of my hair out, and I'm just going to style it so it doesn't just hang. You could curl it for a little added bit, but I'm just going to kind of style these long pieces so they kind of act as a bit of a bang around my face. Just like that. I like to keep this hairstyle simple, but it is so easy, so pretty, and your bun looks way bigger than it would look without that claw clip in there. But it's a secret and nobody has to know. If you have layers, you might get some of the little bits sticking out like me. You can add some hairspray and stick those up. Or just make sure when you're pulling the bun apart that you keep those ends tucked into the scrunchie. For the top pieces, again, I like the kind of look that it gives having your ends out. If your hair's shorter, you might not have those. If your hair's longer, they might flop. And again, you can leave it, or you can take them and wrap them down around the scrunchie and add some bobby pins to hide them if you don't like them. Even if they're shorter like mine, you can absolutely do that. You have options. If you don't like the way it looks, you can make it customized for yourself. Hope that helps, and it gives you another fun way to kind of fake that you have more hair so you can feel a little bit more confident in wearing styles that maybe you don't feel confident wearing when your hair looks a little on the thin side. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell if you did so that you don't miss any of my other videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already part of my DIY hair school channel, because I would love to have you here in all of my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.